Solve dy by dx into x square y cube plus xy equal to 1. Solution. Given differential equation is dy by dx into x square y cube plus xy equal to 1. So now dy by dx equal to 1 by x square y cube plus xy. So from that dx by dy equal to x square y cube plus xy. Dividing by x square on both sides. So now 1 by x square into dx by dy equal to y cube plus y by x. Then 1 by x square into dx by dy minus y by x equal to y cube. So this is the equation number 1. So in that one, let us take u equal to let u equal to minus 1 by x and du by dy equal to the derivation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Minus into minus plus 1 by x square into, and the derivation of x is dx by dy. So now substituting the corresponding values in equation 1. Then du by dy plus u into y equal to y cube. So then this is equation number 2. So now equation 2 is of the form du by dy plus p into u equal to q. So treated this is equation number 3. So now by comparing the equation 2 and 3, p equal to y and q equal to y cube. Now the integrating factor equal to e power integral p into dy. So e power integral y into dy. So that is the integration of y is y square by 2. Therefore integrating factor equal to e power y square by 2. So then the solution is u into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor into dy plus c. U into e power y square by 2 equal to integral y cube into e power y square by 2 into dy plus c. So treated this is 4. And then let t equal to y square by 2. So now differentiating that value with respect to y. So then dt by dy equal to 1 by 2 into 2y into dy. So then dt equal to here to cancel. Then y into dy. Now substituting the corresponding values in equation 4. Then u into e power t equal to integral 2t into e power t into dt plus c. 2 into integral t into e power t into dt plus c. So then 2 e power t into t minus 1 plus c. Integral x e power x into dx equal to e power x into x minus 1 plus c. So then which implies u into e power y square by 2 equal to 2 into e power y square by 2 into y square by 2 minus 1 plus c. So now u equal to 2 into e power y square by 2 into e power minus y square by 2 into y square by 2 minus 1 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. U equal to 2 into y square by 2 minus 1 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. Then minus 1. Now here we have to write the value of u is minus 1 by x equal to 2 into y square by 2 minus 1 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. Then minus 1 by x equal to y square minus 2 plus c into e power minus y square by 2. Then multiplying this equation with minus, then minus of minus, here plus. So then we have to write it here, 1 by x equal to minus y square plus 2 minus c e power minus y square by 2. 1 equal to minus, then by cross multiplying of this, 1 equal to minus xy square plus 2x minus cx e power minus y square by 2, and then 1 plus xy square minus 2x plus cx e power minus y square by 2 equal to 0. Therefore 1 plus x into y square minus 2 plus c e power minus y square by 2, which is the required solution for the given differential equation. Next problem, solve dy by dx plus x into sin 2y equal to x cube into cos square y. Solution, given differential equation is dy by dx plus x into sin 2y equal to x cube into cos square y. So now dividing that equation with cos square y. On both sides, then 1 by cos square y into dy by dx plus x into sin 2y by cos square y equal to x cube. Then 1 by cos square y into dy by dx plus x into sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin y into cos y by cos square y equal to x cube. So 1 by cos square y equal to secant square y into dy by dx plus 2x into tan y equal to x cube. So then u equal to tan y. Then differentiating with respect to x, du by dx equal to the derivation of tan theta is secant square y into dy by dx. So now substituting the corresponding values in equation 1, then du by dx plus 2xu equal to x cube. So then the equation which is in the form of du by dx plus p into u equal to q. So now comparing that equations, then p is 2x and q is x cube. So then now integrating factor equal to e power integral p into dx, e power integral 2x into dx, e power 2 into the integration of x is x square by 2. Then integrating factor equal to e power x square. Then the solution is u into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c. So now u into e power x square equal to integral x cube into e power x square into dx plus c. Now let t equal to x square, and then differentiating that t with respect to x, then dt equal to 2x into dx, then 1 by 2 into dt equal to x dx. Now substituting the corresponding values in the equation, then tan y equal to x square minus 1 by 2 plus c into e power minus x square, which is the required solution of the given differential